Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your MSI Stealth. This video is gonna be for those that have access to their Microsoft account and want to reset it because they are giving it to someone else, selling it, or something's not working, but they still have access to their laptop. They still have access to everything and can go to settings. If you can't log in to your laptop, if you don't have any system or something is corrupted and you cannot just use or access the system, then you should watch a different video which is on how to install Windows from USB drive on this laptop, because it has been recorded on our channel. And now I'm just gonna go to the settings, then Windows Update. Now scroll down until you see the advanced options, then go to recovery, and here you can just click on reset PC. Then you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. I'm gonna remove everything, and then it'll ask you if you want to do a cloud download or local reinstall. I'm gonna do a local reinstall because I don't think that the cloud download is quite too important. It only downloads the newest version of Windows, but it takes longer and you can still update your Windows later. Then there is something important here, so don't click on next yet. Click on change settings, and here is clean data, and this is really important. If you're planning on selling your laptop, I recommend having that set. This will take hours to reset your laptop with that when that's enabled, but it'll make it much harder to recover the files that were previously there. So if you're planning on selling your laptop, I would recommend setting it to yes. It's worth it even though it takes hours, but I'm gonna set it to no to make it quicker, and I'm not planning on selling this laptop now. Then I'm gonna click on next, and after a few seconds you should be able to click on reset. Now you just need to wait. It'll do everything automatically, and after it's done it'll get to the setup. So I'll just get back to you when it's done, when it's reset. And now, as we can see, the laptop is reset and you can set it up. If you don't know how to set it up, there will be a video on our channel on how to set up the MSI Stealth, so you can visit it, but it's quite intuitive. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.